All right, so you've created a slide presentation. It's awesome. Maybe you're using a template that somebody gave you. So you've got your slide, you're making your slide, it's great. You can edit the title. Maybe this is the second slide. Maybe your content is fantastic instead of amazing, da da da. And then all of a sudden you realize that in the footer, you've got the wrong title. And you start clicking around, you click this, you click that, you can't select the footer. What is going on? This is just really hard to remember, so I'm going to show you what to do. So what you do is it's in the slide master. So what you do is you go to view up here on the top, and then in the in this little ribbon here, you click slide master. And now all of a sudden you've got all of these master pages, like way more than you ever possibly need. And you've got this stuff on top of it, which I still haven't figured out what it is. But anyway, what you do is you go here and now maybe it's a rotten slide deck, but at least it's the right title. Okay. Now you hit close master view and you go back here and your new title is there. You're done.